That big size doesn't matter when it comes to the knob.
Ooh, she swings. Oh. Yeah, once we get to this thing, it'll stabilize it. I don't like the seats though. Do not swing or bounce on the chairs. What are we supposed to do? The chair's doing it itself. Stop moving. The chair just keeps swinging, no. Dude, no. No. Dude, that's making it swing. Stop it.
It's alright.
I really don't care.
There's no easy way down. I'm scared.
Dude, shut up.
I mean, of the mountain.
Shh. You're making it worse for me, dude. Seriously. Just shut up. That's what you gotta do. Oh, God, stop swinging. Whoa, we're too close to that. Dude, stop. We're too close. We're swinging way too much.
No, we're not, dude.
Shut the fuck up. We are swinging too fucking much. You fucking tell me we're not again, I will fucking beat you with this ski.
Did you see the trees with the bras on it?
I don't care about the trees with the bras on it, motherfucker. There we go. Jesus Christ. Fucking part of it, I don't like heights, don't you fucking understand, motherfucker. It's not fucking funny, you idiot.
I told you all the positive things.
Yeah, they ain't fucking positive. Shut up. Just shut up. Everything you say is retarded. Just shut up. Because the next time I yell, I'm going to yell so fucking bad it makes an avalanche. Shut up. I don't really care. You're pissing me off. Ooh, fuck. Oh, yeah. It's not that bad, though. Like, at least there's a flat part at certain points. At least it's not that. There we go. You're a fucking homo. Don't talk. Just shut up. Till we get to the top, just shut the fuck up. Holy crap, eh? This is a hell of an incline. Yeah. Well, there, we'll do this, and this is the only time we're doing it. Yeah, I'm totally scared of this lift. Why is it doing that? Yeah. Making my butt numb. Don't. Don't worry about it. Touch me. Don't fucking move. Don't touch me.
Try it. It's just, you know, the leg circulation cut off thing. Hard.
Well, that's your own fault. You wanted to snowboard, therefore you deal with the leg circulation. Wonder how I'm gonna come down. This is gonna be hard. No, there's blue squares up here. Yeah, there's two blue squares up here. The rest are black diamonds, and those are double black diamonds. See, that looks like where they set the avalanche off.
Yeah.
See, there's part of the blue square right there. Yeah, it's not bad. It's just a chairlift. It's just, Jesus fuck, that swinging was getting to me. Oh, I hate to swing. You gotta remember, I'm absolutely terrified of heights. So, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna don't even... No, it won't. It'll make it worse. I'd probably have a heart attack.
You pay the $300 and then say, fuck this, I'm coming down.
Nope. Wouldn't even get in the plane. That's why when I travel across the ocean, I'm gonna take a goddamn boat.
So you don't like flying at all?
Nope. My dad absolutely loves flying. I think that's why I have the flight phobia. Usually, they figure, usually if, your kid is terrified of something,
Yeah.
usually that means that the parent loved that type of thing.
Yeah.
It's a weird reverse phobia type thing.
Vice versa.
Yep. Holy man. Paradise chair, paradise chair, paradise chair. That's my chair lift. Paradise and Rocky Mountain Express.
Is that what we're gonna make our way to?
Yes. Or Rocky Mountain Express.
I am down there's pretty big.
Yeah, well, it's gonna calm down because that concert's gonna kick off pretty soon here.
Yeah.
So people will be stopping and jamming out to music and drinking beers. See, it says don't swing and don't bounce them, but what are we supposed to do if they swing and bounce? That rock.
Shit could hurt you.
Oh, fuck yeah. See, look at the squares over there. Could take long ways and all this other shit. Now we can get some good pictures up here.
Yeah.
I was pissing that guy off one chair ahead of us because he's with his kid. Or I was screaming fuck all the time. He's getting mad. Yeah, he's like, motherfucker. It's like all the hot chicks came to the mountain today.